Welcome back to Luxurious Cars, where we explore the most exciting and innovative vehicles on the road today, and in this video, we'll be diving into the exterior design of the all-new 2025 Tata Nano Judge, a car that has defied expectations and redefined what we thought was possible in compact engineering. The 2025 Nano Judge marks a bold evolution of the iconic Tata Nano, a car that was initially known for its simplicity and affordability, but this facelift takes it to a whole new level, blending futuristic design with sharp, modern aesthetics. At the front, the Nano Judge boasts a refined, sculpted grille, flanked by aggressive, LED-embedded headlamps that give it a fierce, commanding presence. The angular design speaks volumes about Tata's intent to target the premium segment. Moving to the side, the Nano Judge retains its signature compact dimensions but adds sculpted body lines that enhance its athletic stance. The new alloy wheels, featuring a dynamic multi-spoke design, give the car a premium feel, while the broader wheel arches suggest a more robust performance-oriented approach. At the rear, the redesigned taillights wrap around the corners, giving the Nano Judge a wider, more substantial appearance. The rear diffuser adds a touch of sportiness, while the overall design hints at aerodynamics, which contribute to better fuel efficiency and performance. Underneath, the Nano Judge is equipped with a revised suspension setup that ensures a smooth ride, while the new chassis structure offers enhanced rigidity for better handling, stability, and safety. The 2025 Tata Nano Judge is a perfect example of how a brand can evolve, taking a once simple city car and transforming it into a striking, capable, and luxurious vehicle for the modern world. Closing scene, the car drives into the distance with the Luxurious Cars logo appearing on screen.